Hey everybody, welcome back to Spare Time. I wanted to give you an update video for the first test I did for the Spider-Man PS4 suit. I wanted to make the white parts of the suit, and I didn't know what I was going to use for it, something that would be fitting and stretchable, but still had some dimension. So my first test was some 3D puffy paint. It's bigger, I think, or I thought it was going to puff out more than regular fabric paint, but it kind of just flopped down, took forever to dry, and kind of messed up. Kind of pooled in some areas and didn't really look too good, and it kind of makes it hard to wear. It could work if I did it more delicately, but I don't think I'm going to be going with that just because it was too much of a hassle and it took forever to dry and all that. So that's the first test I'm going to do. I did. The second test would be this 5mm craft foam. It has the right dimension, I just have to cut it with a bevel. And that might work, I just have to find a glue that would keep it stuck onto the glove itself. But that would work for the wrist and the top of the hand pieces of the suit. That's the first test. I'm going to do a few more tests before I get into the actual suit. I want to test out different ideas I have for making the suit and all of its details, but we're going to be getting to the suit as soon as we can. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time on Spare Time.